Why guess when you can stay in the know on your vehicle's health? Let us count the ways. 1. You can sign up for monthly email reports about your vehicle's health. This includes diagnostic information on your vehicle systems, as well as required maintenance based on items such as your oil life and tire pressure. 2. Get real-time email or text updates by opting in to diagnostic alerts. 3. Your vehicle can predict potential maintenance needs from key components like your battery and starter, depending on your vehicle, and notify you even before they become a problem. You can receive proactive alerts by text or email, or you can speak with an OnStar advisor. 4. Let your vehicle notify your preferred dealership when it's time for maintenance, so they can contact you and schedule an appointment. You can activate this notification upon vehicle purchase, or by pushing the blue OnStar button to speak to an advisor. 5. Push the blue OnStar button and ask an advisor to run a real-time check on your vehicle's engine, transmission, anti-lock brakes, and more. And 6. If you have an eligible Cadillac Connected Services plan, you can check your vehicle's fuel level, tire pressure, and oil life by going to the My Cadillac mobile app and tapping the vehicle status tile on the home screen. By getting regular updates on your vehicle's health, you can have more peace of mind on the road.